Hi children, welcome to today's online class. In last class already we discussed about some problems of exercise 10.4. In this session you have to discuss remaining problems of exercise 10.4. Now come to problem number 8. If either a bar equals to 0 or b bar equals to 0, then a bar cross b bar equals to 0 is the converse is true. Justify your answer with example. This problem is very important for 3 marks or 2 marks for board exam. So similar problem came to dot product. But same problem will come to cross product. That is, I have to take a bar equals to 0, b bar equals to 0, then a bar cross b bar equals to 0. Here, already I told in the dot product of vectors, converse means first I have to take a bar is non-zero vector, b bar is non-zero vector, then I have to prove a bar cross b bar equals to 0. So when I got the a bar cross b bar equals to 0 and again I have to prove magnitude of a bar equals to 0, magnitude of b bar equals to 0. This is the converse. Converse means vice versa. Okay, I have to take non-zero vectors, I have to prove this. I have to take this one and I have to prove this. Okay, that is the converse part. So now I will take examples, that is a bar equals to, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. B bar equals to 4i cap plus 6j cap plus 8k cap. This is a bar and b bar. This a bar and b bar are non-zero vectors. Now I have to take a bar cross b bar, that is determinant of I, j, k, that is 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8. That is I into 3 8s are 16. Sorry, 8 3s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Minus j into, that is 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Plus k into 2 6s are 12 minus 4 3s are 12. 24 24 cancel. 16 16 cancel. 12 12 cancel. That is equal to 0. Okay. Now a bar cross b bar equals to 0. I got a bar cross b bar equals to 0. Now I have to prove. Here I am taking a bar is a non-zero vector, b bar is a non-zero vector, a bar cross b bar equal to 0, I proved. Now I have to take a bar cross b bar equals to 0. Now I have to prove magnitude of a bar is 0, magnitude of b bar is 0. Now I have to find magnitude of a bar, that is 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is root 29. So now that is not equal to 0. Therefore, magnitude of b bar equals to, that is 16 plus 36 plus 64. That is magnitude of b bar equals to 30 plus 64 is 100. That is 30 plus 60 is 100, 116. This is also not equal to 0. Okay, therefore converse is need not to be true. Okay, converse is need not to be true. So this is the solution for problem number 8. We'll move on. We will move on. Next problem. Find the area, that is problem number 9. Find the area of a triangle area of a triangle, that is A of 1 comma 1 comma 2, B of 2 comma 3 comma 5, C of 1 comma 5 comma 5. So now here find the area of a triangle. So vertices is given. We have to find the area of a triangle by using vector method. This is position vectors. A point, B point, C point when given, these are the position vectors. This is OA bar, this is OB bar, this is OC bar. So now area of a triangle formula is 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar or magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Now I have to find first AB bar and BC bar. Now AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar. What is OB bar? 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. What is OA bar? Minus I cap minus J cap minus 2K cap. That is equal to 2I minus I is I. 3J minus J is plus 2J. 5K minus 2K is plus 3K. Now what is BC bar? BC bar equals to OC bar minus OB bar. What is OC bar? I cap plus 5J cap plus 5K cap minus what is OB bar? 2I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap. 2I minus 2ILA, sorry, 2 minus 2I plus I is minus I. 5J minus 3J is plus 2J. 5K minus 5K gets cancelled. Okay, clear? That is minus 2I plus I is minus I. 5J minus 3J is 2J. 5K gets cancelled. Now I have to find magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar. That is determinant of I, J, K. That is what is AB bar coefficients? 1, 2, 3. What is BC bar coefficient? Minus 1, 2, 0. This is AB bar cross BC bar. AB bar cross BC bar. That is I into 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6 minus J into, that is 1 zeros are 0 minus 1 into 3 plus 3 plus K into 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 plus 2. That is minus 6I minus 3J plus 4K. Magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar equals to 36 plus 9 plus 16. 36 plus 16 is 52. 52 plus 9 is 61. That is square root of 61. Therefore, area of a triangle equals to 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar. 64. That is 1 by 2 AB bar cross magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar is square root of 61. That is square root of 61 by 2 square units. This is the solution for problem number 9. Dear students, we have to find the area of a triangle by using vector method. In determinant also same problem will come, but there they will ask by using determinant method, but here by using vector method. So this problem is 3 marks question. Okay. So A point is given, B point is given, C point is given. Find the area of a triangle. Formula is AB, magnitude of 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar or AB bar cross AC bar. Both are same. First I have to find AB bar. When points is given, no, so those are position vectors. That is AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar, BC bar equals to OC bar minus OB bar. I mean, substitute the values, you will get AB bar and BC bar. Now I have to find AB bar cross BC bar. Determinant of I, j, k, 1, 2, 3, minus 1 to 0. That is I into expand this determinant, you will get minus 6i minus 3j plus 4k. That is square root of 36 plus 9 plus 16, that is square root of 61. That is 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross BC bar. That is square root of 61 divided by 2 square units. So we will move on. Next problem. Next problem is find the area of a parallelogram. Find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent side given, that is A bar equals to I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. B bar equals to 2 I cap minus 7 j cap plus k cap. This problem is very simple. Find the area of a parallelogram. A bar and B bar is given whose adjacent sides. That is area of a parallelogram is magnitude of A bar cross B bar. That is A bar cross B bar is I, j, k. That is 1, minus 1, 3. 2, minus 7, 1. Just expand this by using the first row. That is I into 1 minus 1, 7 3s are 21 minus j into 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus k into minus 7 into 1 minus 7, 2 1s are 2. That is 21 minus 9 is 20i plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5, that is plus 5j, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5k. That is, this is A bar cross B bar. Now I have to find magnitude of A bar cross B bar equals to square root of 400 plus 25 plus 25. That is square root of 450. This square root of 450 can written as 225 into 2. 225 into 2, 450. Square root of 225 is 15. 15 root 2 square units. This is the area of a parallelogram. We will move on. Next problem. I think all of you cleared. So find the area of a parallelogram. A bar and B bar is given. Formula is magnitude of A bar cross B bar. That is A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is 20i plus 5j minus 5k, and magnitude of this is 15 square root of 2 square units. We will move on. We will move on. Next problem. Let the vectors A bar and B bar such that magnitude of A bar equals to 3, magnitude of B bar equals to root 2 by 3, then A bar cross B bar is a unit vector. is a unit vector, you have to find theta. Theta is question mark. That is here a magnitude of a bar is given, magnitude of b bar is given. A bar plus b bar is a unit vector. We have to find angle. Okay, angle between two vectors in a cross product. Angle between two vectors is sin theta equals to a bar cross b bar divided by magnitude of so same formula only we can written like this, that is a bar cross b bar equals to magnitude of a bar magnitude of b bar into sin theta. That is magnitude of a bar cross b bar equals to magnitude of a bar magnitude of b bar into sin theta. So that is a bar cross b bar is a unit vector means, so this value is 1 because magnitude of a bar cross b bar is 1. So that is magnitude of a bar is 3, magnitude of b bar is root 2 by 3. So into sin theta, 3 cancel. Therefore sin theta equals to 1 divided by root 2. That is theta equals to sin inverse 1 by root 2. That is theta equals to sin inverse of sin pi by 4. Therefore that is equal to pi by 4. This is the angle between two vectors. We will move on. Last problem in exercise 10.4. Area of a rectangle, that is problem number 12. Area of, we have to find the area of a rectangle with position vectors ABCD is given. That is OA bar is minus I plus 1 by 2j plus 4k. OB bar is I plus 1 by 2j plus 4k. OC bar is I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k. Therefore OD bar is minus I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k. Now we have to find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle formula is magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. That means I have to find first AB bar. That is AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar. What is OB bar? I cap plus 1 by 2j cap plus 4k cap. What is OA bar? That is, be careful, this is OB bar, this is OA bar, plus I cap minus 1 by 2j cap minus 4k cap. That is I plus I is 2I. See, I plus I is 2I. 1 by 2j minus 1 by 2j cancel. 4k cancel. Now come to so that is AC bar. AC bar. AC bar equals to OC bar minus OA bar. What is OC bar? I cap minus 1 by 2j cap plus 4k cap. What is OA bar? Plus I cap minus 1 by 2j cap minus 4k cap. 4k cancel. I plus I is 2I. That is minus 1 by 2j minus 1 by 2j, that is minus j. That is 2I minus j. So now that is area of a parallelogram. So that is area equals to magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. That is AB bar cross AC bar equals to IJK. What is AB bar? That is 2, 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 0. That is I into 0, 0 minus j into 0 0 0 only plus k into that is 2 ones are 2 that is minus 2 2 zeros are 0 that is you will get only minus 2k. That is magnitude of this one is magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar equals to that is square root of 4. Square root of 4 means 2 square units. Okay, that is position vectors is given. Formula is magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. First point AB bar, first point AC bar, and I have to find cross product of AB bar cross AC bar, and magnitude of that is 2 square units. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, so in this session vector algebra chapter full completed. Okay, that is exercise 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4. First basics of vectors, and second is addition and subtraction of vectors. Okay, and section formula. In third exercise I discussed dot product of vectors. In fourth exercise cross product of vectors. Okay, but in fifth exercise is there, that is scalar triple product, but that exercise is not there in your board exam, that is deleted syllabus. Okay, so that's why, so in this class vector algebra chapter full completed. Okay, in next class onwards I will start calculus part. Thank you one and all.